Hi, my name's Dean Darren, and today I'm going to tell you a couple different ways to easily store your Christmas lights. Our English Garden's Premier Collection lights come in a bundle like this, and the bundling method is easy to do. Simply grab the light set in one hand and start bringing the bulbs up and down to the bottom, up and down to the bottom, and when you get near the cord, you're simply going to unplug the light set and wrap the cord around it, and you're ready to go, ready to use your lights again next year. The other way is actually the ball of yarn method, and simply take and bundle the lights like you would bundle a ball of yarn. When using this method, it makes it really easy next year to use this light set, especially if you're wrapping trees like you see outdoors where the trees are wrapped around the branches, because you can take and then pass this ball of yarn around the branch and unball it as you go, and it makes it really easy to use that light set next year. I'm Dean Darren, and that's your Christmas Quick Tip.